morning students. Today we are going to start with the 11th question. This is also of problem set. This is also a star mark question. The question is, see, Mukund possesses 50 more than what Sagar possesses. Mukund possesses 50 more. That means Mukund is having 50 more than Sagar is having. That means Sagar is having less than Sagar possesses. The product of the amount they have means both of them, Mukund and Sagar, the product of the amount they have is 15,000. So find the amount each one has. So let us take Sagar is having less amount. So let us take let the amount with Sagar be let the amount with the Sagar be X rupees. The same manner, and let the amount with the Mukund be, Mukund is having 50 more. Mukund be X plus 50. X plus 50. This much rupees Mukund has. Now, the product of the amount they have, product of this is equal to 15,000. So by condition x into x plus 50 is equal to 15,000. So x into x is x square, plus into plus is plus, x into 50 is 50x. I'll bring this side, minus 15,000 is equal to 0. So this is in the general form of a quadratic equation. We cannot bring the equation in the simplest form because the coefficient of x squared is 1. So now we have to factorize 15,000 in such a way that if we multiply, we should get minus 15,000. If we add or subtract, we should get plus 50. So if we take 150 into 100 will give you 15,000. And the difference between this is 50. But difference, if we subtract them, we'll get 50. But if the middle term is a positive term. So for the greater number, you put plus sign, the other one minus. So if you multiply them, plus into minus is minus. 150 into 100 is 15,000 plus 150 minus 100 will give you, if we simplify, it is plus 50. So therefore, we'll take the factors as plus 150. So x squared plus 150x minus 100x minus 15,000 equal to 0. Now, from these two terms, x is common. X plus 150 is one bracket. The other one minus 100 you take out as common here. So, minus into minus is plus, x will remain. Minus into minus is plus. 100 goes means 20 you cancel from here. Here 150 remains. So, therefore, this is equal to 0. Now, we got the same factors. So, x plus 150 is one factor. The other one, x minus 100 is the other factor, is equal to 0. So, we can take x plus 150 is equal to 0 or x minus 100 is equal to 0. Now x will be equal to minus 150 or x is equal to as 100. So therefore x minus 150 is a negative number and rupees cannot be minus 150. So amount cannot be a negative term. Therefore x equal to minus 150 is not acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 100. This is the value of x. Now what is x? X is the amount Sagar has. Therefore Sagar has 100. X is equal to 100. Therefore Sagar has 100 rupees. And Mukund has x plus 50. That is equal to x is equal to as 100 plus 50, that is equal to 150 rupees. Now we will start with the 12th question. The question is, the difference between the square of two numbers is square of two numbers. The difference means if we subtract, the square of two numbers is 120. The square of the smaller number, condition given that the square of the smaller number is twice the greater number. So find the number. So let us take that. Let the greater number be as, let the greater number be x. Therefore, given that, it is given that square of smaller number is equal to twice the greater number. That is equal to 2x. That means this number is in the form of a square. Square of the smaller number is twice the greater number. So by condition it is given that in the first line, the difference between the square of the two numbers is 120. This is the condition. So by condition, this is the greater number, square of the numbers. So greater number square minus the smaller number. This is already in the square form. That is the square of smaller number. It is in the square form. Is twice the greater number. So it is 2x is equal to 120. Now form it into general quadratic form. Minus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. Now minus 120 you have to split. Minus 120 factorize it to get the middle term as minus 2. So 12 tens are 120. If I put a greater number the middle sign and the opposite number to the next number, minus into plus, it is minus. if we simplify minus 12 plus 10, this is equal to minus 2. So the middle term gets split in this form, x squared minus 12x plus 10x minus 120 equal to 0. So from these two terms, x comes out as common, x minus 12 and plus this sign as it is. And from these two terms, 10 comes out as common. So plus 10 came out means only plus into plus x means plus into minus, minus remains here. 10 goes over means cancel 1 0, so 12 remains here. This is equal to 0. To both the brackets we got the same. So x minus 12 is the one factor. The other factor is x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0. Now, so we got in this form. Now x is equal to as 12 or x is equal to as minus 10. Now, see, x value we got, that is the greater number. So here, see, if we take x value equal to minus 10, see, it is given by condition, it is given this 2x in the square form, that is square of the greater number minus square of the smaller number is equal to 120. So by condition, if we take this x value equal to as 10, x squared minus y squared, just we take the smaller number as y squared. For example here, this is equal to 120. So what do we get? See here, x square minus x value will take it as minus 10. This whole raised to square minus y square is equal to 120. So here what will happen? Product of a minus 10 into minus 10 is plus 100. 100 will get the value here, minus y square equal to 120. So minus y square is equal to 120 and transfer this here, it is minus 100. So minus y square is equal to 20. Is equal to 20. So y square is equal to minus 20. So if we take consider y as a smaller number, y is equal to minus 20. Square of any number cannot be negative. Square of any number is not negative. Is not negative. Therefore by this, that is x is equal to minus 10 is not acceptable. Is not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to as 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 here. X is equal to 12. We got the value of x. So this is the greater number. Now, so the greater number is, therefore the greater number is equal to as 12, and the smaller number, that is square of smaller number. Smaller number square is equal to as 2 into x, that is equal to 2x. That is equal to 2 into 12. That is equal to 12 to the 24. We got. That means now see smaller number square equal to 24. That is smaller number square, smaller number square. So smaller number square is equal to, we got 24. So smaller number will be equal to as, if we take out the square, then it is equal to plus or minus root of 24. Therefore the numbers are, one number will be 12 and plus root of 24 or 12 and minus root of 24. This is the solution.